Most people think of this fruit as nothing more than a summer treat, something sweet, watery, and forgettable the second it's off your plate. But real nutrition research tells a completely different story. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 10 science-backed benefits of watermelon, counting down to the one benefit almost nobody talks about. A benefit tied directly to blood flow, energy, and vitality for both men and women, something researchers have actually studied in real clinical trials. And stick around until the very end, because I'm going to break down the 5 best ways to actually eat watermelon to get the most out of it, including one method most people throw straight in the trash without realizing it's the most nutrient-dense part of the whole fruit. Let's get into it. What makes watermelon different? Here's the part that surprises most people. Watermelon isn't just water and sugar. It's about 92% water, which already makes it one of the most hydrating foods you can eat. But it also delivers a genuinely impressive nutrient profile for something this low in calories. Vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, magnesium, choline, and a plant antioxidant called lycopene, which is the same compound that gives tomatoes their red color. Here's the part that really sets watermelon apart from most fruit, though. It's one of the richest natural sources of an amino acid called L-citrulline. Your body converts citrulline into another amino acid, L-arginine, which your blood vessels use to produce nitric oxide, a molecule that helps blood vessels relax and open up, supporting healthy circulation. Researchers have specifically studied this citrulline to nitric oxide pathway in real clinical trials, and it's going to come up more than once on this list. Let's start counting down the benefits from 10 to 1. Number 10, deep hydration without the calories. We're starting with the most obvious one, but it deserves real credit: hydration. With that high water content, watermelon helps support fluid balance, especially in hot weather or after exercise, without adding many calories to your day. A 2-cup serving is roughly 90 to 100 calories, which makes it a genuinely filling snack. For people watching their weight, simple but effective, and that leads directly into our next benefit. Number 9, supports healthy weight management. Because watermelon is mostly water with a modest amount of natural sugar and fiber, it has what nutritionists call a low energy density, meaning you get a large, satisfying portion for very few calories. Studies on foods with high water content have consistently found they help people feel full without overeating, simply because volume and water both contribute to satiety signals in the stomach. Swapping a calorie-dense dessert for a bowl of watermelon is one of the easier changes for anyone managing their weight. Now let's move to a benefit that's a lot more specific: your heart. Number 8, supports heart health. This is where lycopene and citrulline start working together. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that's been studied for its role in protecting blood vessels from oxidative damage, a process that contributes to hardened, stiffened arteries over time. Meanwhile, the nitric oxide pathway we just talked about supports healthy blood vessel relaxation, which plays a role in maintaining normal blood pressure. Some clinical research has specifically looked at watermelon juice and found it may help support healthy vascular function, along with the potassium content, which is well established as supportive of normal blood pressure levels. To be clear, watermelon isn't a treatment for heart disease or high blood pressure, but as part of an overall healthy diet, it's genuinely one of the better fruit choices for cardiovascular support. Now let's talk about something visible: your skin. Number 7, antioxidant support for skin. Lycopene and vitamin C are both antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that contribute to cellular damage over time. Including in your skin, vitamin C specifically plays a role in collagen production, the protein that keeps skin firm and supports wound healing. While eating watermelon isn't going to replace your skincare routine, getting enough antioxidant-rich foods is one of the dietary habits consistently associated with healthier-looking skin over the long run. And while we're on the subject of what these antioxidants protect, let's talk about your eyes. Number 6, supports eye health. Watermelon contains vitamin A. precursors, and lycopene, both of which play a role in protecting the delicate tissue of the eyes from oxidative stress over time. Vitamin A specifically supports the retina's ability to function properly in different lighting conditions. While lycopene has been studied as one of several dietary antioxidants associated with a lower risk of age-related eye conditions when it's part of a varied, nutrient-rich diet. Next up, a benefit that professional athletes have actually been using watermelon for. Number 5, may ease post-workout muscle soreness. This is where citrulline shows up again. In a completely different context, exercise recovery. Because citrulline supports nitric oxide production and blood flow. Some studies have found that watermelon juice or concentrated citrulline may help reduce the intensity of muscle soreness after intense exercise, likely by supporting better blood flow and oxygen delivery to tired muscles. This is actually one of the more well-studied uses of citrulline, which is why you'll find it as an ingredient in a lot of pre-workout supplements. You don't need a supplement though. Watermelon itself, especially blended into a post-workout smoothie, gives you a natural version of the same compound. Now let's talk about something a little less talked about, digestion. Number 4, gentle support for digestion. Between the high water content and a modest amount of fiber, watermelon can support regular digestion and help prevent the kind of mild dehydration that often makes constipation worse. It's also easy on the stomach for most people, which makes it a solid option even when you're not feeling 100%. It won't fix a digestive disorder, but as an everyday habit, it's one of the gentler fruits you can reach for. Now let's talk about something that becomes especially relevant during cold and flu season. Number 3, supports immune function. Vitamin C and vitamin A are both essential nutrients for a properly functioning immune system. And watermelon provides a meaningful amount of each in a single serving. Vitamin C specifically supports the production and function of white blood cells, the cells your body relies on to fight off infection, while vitamin A helps maintain the health of the skin and mucous membranes that act as your body's first line of defense. No single food is going to prevent you from getting sick, but consistently getting these nutrients through food is part of what supports a well-functioning immune system over time. Now, a benefit that ties directly back to all that water and potassium we mentioned earlier. Number 2, supports kidney function and fluid balance. Your kidneys rely on adequate hydration and balanced electrolytes to filter waste effectively. And watermelon's high water and potassium content supports exactly that process. Some research has looked at watermelon's natural diuretic-like effect, meaning it can gently support increased urine output, which may help reduce the concentration of substances in the urine that contribute to kidney stone formation over time. One important note here though. If you have existing kidney disease, potassium intake needs to be carefully managed, so it's worth talking to your doctor before making watermelon a daily habit in that specific situation. For most healthy people though, this is simply one more way watermelon supports a system your whole body depends on. And now, the benefit I mentioned at the very beginning of this video. The one tied to vitality and energy for both men and women. Number 1, supports healthy blood flow and vitality. Here's where that citrulline to nitric oxide pathway becomes really interesting. Because nitric oxide helps blood vessels relax and improves circulation throughout the body, researchers have specifically studied whether watermelon's natural citrulline content could support healthy blood flow in ways that affect vitality and energy between spouses, for both men and women. A few small clinical trials have looked at this directly, and the early findings are genuinely promising. Better circulation is linked to more energy, better stamina, and a stronger sense of overall vitality in daily life, including in the closeness and connection between partners. What the research does support is this: watermelon is a completely natural way to support the same blood flow pathway your body already relies on for circulation, energy, and vitality, and unlike a lot of trendy supplements, it comes with essentially no downside, plus all 9 of the other benefits we just walked through. Now, let's discover the best ways to eat watermelon for maximum benefits. The 5 best ways to eat watermelon. Alright, I promised you this at the start, so let's get into it. 5 ways to eat watermelon that actually make the most of everything we just covered. Method 1. Eat it fresh as it is. This is one of the best and simplest ways to enjoy watermelon. Simply cut it into pieces and eat it fresh, preferably chilled, to enjoy its refreshing taste. This method helps preserve its natural water content and beneficial compounds without adding ingredients that may reduce its nutritional value. Eating watermelon as a whole fruit also allows you to benefit from its fiber content and helps you feel fuller for longer. Method 2. Fresh cubes with lime and a pinch of salt. This is the simplest and honestly one of the best. A squeeze of fresh lime adds a small vitamin C boost, and a light pinch of salt actually enhances the natural sweetness while adding a touch of sodium, which pairs well with all that water for hydration, especially after a workout or on a hot day. Method 3. Watermelon, feta, and mint salad. This is a favorite in Mediterranean cooking for a reason. Pairing watermelon with a small amount of feta cheese and fresh mint adds protein and healthy fat to the mix, which can help slow down how quickly the natural sugars are absorbed, keeping your energy steadier than eating watermelon completely alone. Method 4. Blended with the white rind included. Here's the one most people throw away without realizing it: the pale white part of the rind, just under the green skin. Research on watermelon composition has actually found that the rind contains a higher concentration of citrulline than the red flesh itself. Blending a bit of the white rind into a smoothie, along with the flesh, some mint, and a squeeze of lime is one of the most effective ways to get more of that citrulline benefit we spent so much time on. Method 5. Frozen watermelon popsicles. Puree watermelon with a little lime juice and freeze it in popsicle molds. It's a naturally sweet dessert alternative with a fraction of the sugar and calories of a store-bought popsicle, and it keeps every nutrient we've talked about completely intact. Putting it all together, so here's the short version: watermelon hydrates you, supports a healthy weight, protects your heart, your skin, and your eyes, helps with exercise recovery and digestion, backs up your immune system and your kidneys, and thanks to its natural citrulline content, supports the same blood flow pathway connected to everyday energy and vitality for both men and women. None of this makes watermelon a cure for anything, but as an easy, low-risk, genuinely enjoyable habit. It's hard to find a fruit with a better combination of taste and real, research-backed benefits. If you learned something new today, especially about that rind trick, tap that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who want real, science-based health content instead of hype. Tell me in the comments, which of these 10 benefits surprised you the most? And if you want the next video to cover another everyday food with surprising science behind it, subscribe and turn on notifications, because that's exactly what's coming next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.